Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well, brother and sister. Today I want to talk about meta ads. In this video I am showing the meta ads and part and professional setup, and this at the run and your professional targeting and professional full setup. Okay, let's go, brother and sister. This is my first part, lifestyle, this page name and this business name. And this is the first while first this business is new, and I will start this at only $1, and this is the first testing purpose. Okay, this is the setup. I already set up this. And second step, this is I set up this part is right now, my dear brother and sister. This is a website process. I already created the website and maximum number of conversation, and this is a tracking system pixel setup. I already created a pixel, and this pixel I will be use this at. Okay, this is process part, and this part is meta showing this cost per result. No ad, this is minimum age 19, and this part is I already language create a Bengali or English, and this part in 19 to 40 gender already this woman. This product is the girls item, only girls item, 3 piece others item. Okay, this is a very important. This part is targeting. This is only use this at Facebook. Okay, I this part. Okay, this part is already okay. This is I will be targeting a few times. This is new ads. Sorry, not new ads. I already this the part, and very important part, and this ad name start stuff. Okay, and sorry, not this. Okay, this this is selected this page. Okay, and created, not created, I use existing post. Okay, nice. Lifestyle.com already set up this link. Okay, this link is already created. Sorry, URL, not URL, is the very important for your my client. This is my client. Sorry, I paused this video because this is my secret person. And okay, brother and sister, if you, I hope if you understand this, right? No, okay, I already create this part, and very important, this part is the okay, and this is showing this system. If you see this, and okay, order now this page. Okay, and I targeting is very sorry, this part is by permanently